Ever wondered how to give your plants that extra growth boost? It's a question that has undoubtedly crossed the minds of green thumbs. After all, who doesn't want their indoor oasis to flourish and thrive? Well, the secret to achieving this lies in a seemingly simple: grow lights. Before we dive deeper into today's topic, make sure you're part of our thriving community. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Subscribe and let's grow together. Grow lights, for those unaware, are specially designed lights that cater to the photosynthetic needs of plants, much like the sun outside. A small change in your gardening routine, but one that can make all the difference. They're the unsung heroes of the botanical world, providing a lifeline for plants that otherwise might not get the light they require to grow. Plants, you see, they are light-loving beings. It's not just a preference, it's a need. And as gardeners to these botanical beauties, it's our role to cater to their needs, to provide them with what they require to flourish. Now, when we say that choosing the right kind of grow lights is important, we mean it. There are 3 key factors to keep in mind when selecting grow lights. Firstly, it's the type of plant you're caring for. Much like people, plants have their own unique personalities and preferences. Some plants are sun worshippers, basking in its radiant glory for hours on end. Others, however, prefer the cool, calming shade, finding the sun's intensity a bit too much to handle. It's essential to know your plant's preference, to understand whether they would bask in the bright, warm light of a sun mimic, or prefer the softer, cooler light that mimics the shade. The second factor to consider is the life stage of your plant. Much like humans, plants have different needs at various stages of their life. Seedlings, for instance, require a different type and intensity of light than mature plants. Understanding your plant's life stage can help you better cater to its needs, ensuring it has the right light at the right time. Lastly, you must consider the size of your growing space. Grow lights come in a variety of sizes and intensities, capable of illuminating everything from a small pot of herbs on your kitchen windowsill to an entire indoor garden. It's important to choose a light that is suitable for the size of your growing area, ensuring all plants get the light they need. Now that we've covered the 3 main factors to consider, it's important to note that the magic of grow lights doesn't end there. These modern marvels can mimic the sun's rays, bringing a piece of the great outdoors into even the most secluded, darkest corners of your home. They have the power to stimulate growth, to promote health, and to yield more produce, making them a gardener's best friend. The beauty of grow lights lies in the control they offer. The power to create a microclimate within your own home, a space where your green friends thrive despite what nature may dictate outside. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, consider the potential of grow lights. Look into how they can transform your indoor garden. See the change they can bring to your green friends. And remember, a plant that gets the light it deserves is a happy plant, a healthy plant, a plant that will thank you in its own quiet way. Hungry for more? There's so much more to learn about the amazing world of plants. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates. Give your green friends the light they deserve. Your plants will thank you.